Hi, this is Sophia. This is Easy English, a very short conversation practice. Action verbs for super beginners. Let's start. Pull, pull, pull. Pull a rope. Pinch, pinch, pinch. Don't pinch, please. Push, push, push. Push a button. Run, run, run. Run around. Sing, sing, sing. Sing loudly. Sit, sit, sit. Please sit down. Skip, skip, skip. Skip slowly. Spin, spin, spin. Spin quickly. Stand, stand, stand. Please stand up. Please stand up. Swim, swim, swim. I can swim. Walk, walk, walk. Walk slowly. Wash, wash, wash. Wash my face. Now it's your turn. Pull a rope. Don't pinch, please. Push a button. Run around. Sing loudly. Please sit down. Skip slowly. Spin quickly. Please stand up. Please stand up. I can swim. Walk slowly. Wash my face. Thank you for watching. See you.